Hi everyone, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you're watching, whenever you're watching this. It happens to be a Saturday morning. It's one of the many projects that I have today. I wanted to share you the process of making this YouTube video. So if it's the first time you're tuning in, I appreciate you. If you are a loyal fan and watching all my episodes, I thank you again for sharing your time with me. So come on over and see what's happening here. You guys want to do the backdrop here, or here? So why don't you guys get it? The thing is not here, right? The print. So it is a baby shower for one of my clients. The theme is vintage swans. So what I did is I broke up the table using creams and whites. So it's layered upon layered upon layered with details. As you can see, the crocheted. We have a double charger. We have a charger plate, and then we have a charger crochet done. And then we're doing white goblets, and then we're doing some flatware. And you'll see the swans and all the details. We're doing crochet containers with flowers in it. It's gonna be pretty spectacular. So the crew's here with the flowers now. My crew is here, so you'll see all the swans happening, and how we're gonna kind of situate it in its place. Again, you're gonna see all the fun little details that we have. When you're thinking about this conceptually, you're gonna be like, oh my God, he's crazy, he doesn't know what he's doing. But then when you see how it's pulled together, it's going to be quite stunning. Let's go. So let's start with one centerpiece. Can you take it out?
This is the...
No, give me the swan and give me the white pedestal. Let's start with that. That's for the game table. Perfect. Look at this. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. So the cake is here. Let's go and see what the cake pastry chef made for me. Let's go. Some swans. Love it. So I can't wait to show you and display that. Thank you. Oh my God, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is extra on the sides. So you can do whatever you want. See, this side is, you guys, the sides is 1 feet more, you see? And this is gonna be the dessert and cake table. This is actually inspired by the couple runways Balmain. So what I'm doing right now is I'm opening up. This is the first time this linen is being used. And tulle has to be played around with a little bit after being sewn. It doesn't look nice when it's not open. It looks flat for me. Let's get the swans, let's get the stands. Let's play around with it and see where the stands are and see if we need to do flowers or no. I think I need it high, like. Attach this together and then do some dried stuff on top of this. Not too much. Don't make it a focus. Yeah. Like this, simple. You know what I mean? And just maybe 2 flowers and that's it. Come on. Let me finish. So this is one extra.
That's one extra.
Just leave it.
Okay.
You never know.
No, you're
just,
not gonna know.
Yeah, just you're not gonna know. And worst case scenario, if no one just shows up anyways after a while, you can just remove all the place setting in the chair.
I mean,
Perfect. Joe. So what is this? This is the seating chart for Talline's baby shower. It's the same pattern as what we did for the backdrop. So it's on an easel. It's easy for the guests to see where they're sitting, the table numbers. And what I'm doing is just making it pretty. This easel wasn't the prettiest, but taking some of this pampas grass, this dry pampas grass, which is really, really popular right now. Everybody's seeing it in magazines. Besides putting the grass, these are beautiful garden roses. And I'm just applying it with a hot glue gun. I'm just gonna hold on to it until it completely dries and settles. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting the heads off of the different varieties of roses, you know, being from the garden roses to the spray roses. I'm not gonna put any hydrangea because they die without water quickly. And the reason I'm cutting off it, look at these beautiful garden roses, look at that. What I'm doing here is I've made Arturo cut the status. Status is a pretty rigid flower that even dried up it's really beautiful. So we're not using floral foam. It's kind of this is a very kind of a last minute thing that I'm doing. This is not my job, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these dried umbrella ferns, these are bleached white, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tuck in between just to give it that feathery texture to the cake, right? Yes, it is a real cake, but I'm actually not damaging the cake. I'm just enhancing it, if you may say. Look how amazing that looks. Just a couple of strands of this dried material looks like it's a piece of it. It looks like it's feathers. So I'm like changing it up a little bit. I'm taking the corners and I'm kind of doing a little bit of a garland, you know, draping kind of a look, because I want the tulle on the bottom as well to show, so that when you're doing the layers like this, it looks like Hi. How are you? You look so fucking hot.
Oh, thank you.
Look at what I'm doing. Come.
Amazing.
Look.
Wow.
Come.
Exactly what I was looking at. Like, amazing.
It's cute that it's like it's better than not having anything or half-ass doing it, you know? No?
Yeah.
So they can sit and then.
thank you.
You know, I'm pretty much like done with this event. I don't mean it in a bad way. It just, the details and the layering and the flowers and the textures and the patterns and everything that we're doing, is just phenomenal. We use a lot of dried stuff. We use fresh product. We use the crochet as detail. We've mixed the chairs with the crossbacks and all this amazing beautiness for this swan. So thank you so much again for tuning into my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed and this is the first time, please do so. This wonderful baby shower turned out amazing. As you can see, there was a lot of detail, and I hope I inspired you one more time. And peace out, everyone.